everybody! I'm here today to show you where to put your left foot when driving an automatic car. Now, there is a little bit of confusion surrounding this topic because everybody knows where to put their right foot, but not many people know exactly where to put the left foot or the specifics of where not to put the left foot. Now, obviously, your pedals are going to be here on the right, so your right foot is going to control your gas and your brake pedal. Now, this is about an automatic car. Remember, I'm talking about an automatic car, so there's no clutch pedal, okay? But for the most part, even if you're driving a manual car which has a clutch pedal, you're going to keep your foot exactly where I'm talking about anyways. But your right foot in an automatic car goes with the gas pedal and the brake pedal. Now, if you look at where your left foot would naturally go, there should be this spot. Now, this is often referred to as a dead pedal or a footrest. Usually, it's going to be a spot that's sort of different from the other well of where the pedals is, and basically this is the well of where the pedals are, I should say, and this is going to be a little bit different, and it's usually going to have either a rubber coating or a metal coating, and that's for grip. Now, you'll notice that this is a little bit raised, and that's because it provides you with a good position for your left foot. As you can see, it's a comfortable angle because over here my foot would be like that, which is very uncomfortable, and over here my foot would be like that, which is also very uncomfortable. So this is sort of the perfect angle for your left foot, and it also gives you a good bend in the knee. You're gonna have a good knee bendage over here, which is gonna allow you to remain comfortable. As you can see right here, I am very comfortable in this position just like this, and it sort of keeps your left foot and your right foot in a similar fashion. So that's where to put your left foot when you're driving an automatic car. Now, where not to put your left foot. Number one, do not put your left foot on the brake. I know of some people, I can't believe this, I still can't believe this. I know of some people that operate the gas pedal with their right foot and the brake pedal with their left foot. Not only is that unbelievably dangerous, but it also is bad for the car because you could be pushing the brake while at the same time being in drive and pushing the gas, which can be really, really bad for the car in the long run, okay? If it happens once, it's probably not going to do any damage, but if it happens often, it will almost definitely damage the components of the car. Also, number two, do not put your left foot beneath any of the pedals or in front of any of the pedals, right? You don't want to drive like this or like this. Now, I actually spoke with one person who had to put his left foot underneath the brake pedal because it was very uncomfortable over here. He would only find comfort like this. And I basically told him, listen, man, you better keep stretching your foot until you can get your foot over there, because even though this might be more comfortable for you, it is so dangerous. If you have to slam on the brakes, you might not be able to slam on them, which could cause injury or even worse things. You know what I'm talking about. It can cause accidents and horrible things. So the short answer is put your left foot over here on the dead pedal or the footrest. You'll notice it sort of stands out from everything else. It might be metal as well, it might be rubber, it might be a different kind of material, but it's definitely grippy, and it's definitely different than everything else around the pedals, the well of the pedals, I should say, like sort of the well over here. So put it over there. Do not put it on the brake pedal. Do not operate the brake pedal with your left foot. Can't believe that people do that. And do not put it either behind or in front of the pedals, anywhere that will obstruct your ability to operate these two pedals effectively. And that's it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.